Yeah, I thought I'd make this video. Seen a lot of these cameras lately. Say a lot. The new DJI Action 2, the Insta 2, the little Insta Go, and all using magnets, and they're really handy, very handy, in fact. But I don't want to go buying £400-500 camera just so that I can have a magnet and the convenience of putting it somewhere, just whether it be on my chest, on the wherever, on the car. So I was driving along and thinking to myself, right, what about using magnets on the actual cameras I've got? So as I was driving in the car, I stuck the phone on the magnet on the dash, and that's when it clicked. I thought, the phone magnets. So what I've done is I've taken the magnets that you use for your phone and I've used them on the cameras. So these come like so. Most of them come with two metal plates. Now the metal plates, if I need to put the action camera on a non-metallic surface, all I need to do is peel this off, stick this onto whatever surface, and on goes the camera. These magnets are like 98p from eBay, and that includes delivery. How to do it, I don't know, but 98p. So and I've just found them so useful. Here's an instance of, there's the arm. I'll try and do it this way. If I need the camera on there, it's on. This one, on. It's just made them so convenient. I'm using them in places that I'd always wanted to, but it's not going to be particularly easy. But now, that's done. It's a done deal. If I want to put it onto my body, all I do is I take the disc, put the disc there, take the camera, and there it is. It's attached. So it's really opened up a lot of potential for using the cameras, not necessarily in places that you couldn't before, but just so much quicker. I mean, when you could just literally walk up to somewhere and say, right, I want the camera there, it's there. By using this mount, I can stick it on, but then I can actually adjust how, I don't know if you see it, yeah. So by doing this, I can adjust the view. It's, yeah, just made a whole lot of difference to how I'm using the cameras. And each time I use them, I find some other way of using them as well. So I just thought I'd just share that with you. If you're looking to buy one of these new Goes or whatever, and you've got a camera already, why not just use the magnets? A lot of these cameras seem to come with a spare back for the waterproof case. So put the magnet on one and just swap it if you don't need the magnet. The other thing I'm going to do is, when it's on my chest and it's in the case, obviously the microphone's blocked, but I'm just going to drill a couple of small holes where the microphone is, and that way I should get the sound and have the use of the magnet, as long as I remember that it's the case with the hole in and I don't use it underwater. That's down to me. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. Really handy, very cheap car magnets or car phone magnets on your action cameras, and it just changes the whole thing. I mean, on these, you couldn't put anything behind on the screen or whatever, so you do need to use the waterproof case, or find a mount that you like which is adjustable and put the magnet on. Anyway, that's enough waffling. I'm not going to go on. Hopefully you'll find this useful. If you do like the idea, please click the like button, and if you would subscribe, that would be great. Yeah, I can only ask you to do that, and hopefully you found this useful. Cheers, I'll catch you soon.